Who's ready for another mystery box? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing yet again another Colourpop mystery box. I'm telling you guys, Colourpop is cranking these out. I feel like they have a mystery box like every month that you can purchase, and they've been really good, which honestly, hallelujah, they've improved. There was a spell where we were not having good mystery boxes, but for the last year, they've been really solid. So today I've got with me their latest mystery box. This mystery box cost me $49 to purchase, and we're supposed to have a variety of full-size and travel-sized items inside of it. So if you're interested in this mystery box, I will be posting a link down below in that video description box. These typically sell out, so if you want this mystery box, I would get it as soon as you can. I don't foresee why this wouldn't sell out because all of the other ones have. It's just a question of how fast are they going to sell out. Now keep in mind, with any mystery box, there's always a chance that we will have different products. So if you guys decide to order this box, you may have the same items that I have here. But then again, Colourpop could pull a fast one and have totally different items in it. But if you do get this box, come back here and leave a comment, and that way we can tell each other what we got in our boxes, and that way we'd know if you're getting the same products or not, because that would help everybody out then. She is pink. Look at that. Aren't you just adorable? I love it. So the first item that we have in here is a full-size setting spray. This one is their no filter setting mist, and it's infused with rose, chamomile, and marine extracts. This microfine mist will help to set your makeup, and it has soft blurring powders within, which will give you a flawless, perfected finish. Okay. Now, I've not tried this product, but I'm a huge believer in setting sprays. I always use them. I mean, when you get done doing all of this work of putting makeup on, I don't want it going anywhere. So I'm going to miss the crap out of it just to make sure everything stays in place. So this one, like I said, it is a full-size product. It does have some settling. Isn't that gross? Okay, I gotta tell you guys, I saw it back here and I was like, yeah, like it's kind of gross looking, but I'm sure it's gonna mix up fine. It did mention that there were powders in here, so I'm guessing that's what that is. So I'm gonna shake this up, but this, obviously it was laying on this side in transit, and that's why it's all settled. I'm assuming you're gonna need to shake this up every time you use it. It's really stuck. Okay, so even as I shake it, it's a little bit better, but it's still really settled. My gosh, maybe this is why they were getting rid of them. It is slowly going, you guys, but like it is really taking a lot to shake this up. I feel like one of those paint spinners at Menards where like you want to get your paint mixed up. That's how I feel right now, is I just feel like I'm mixing like crazy. Oh, I forgot. Menards is a Midwest thing. So if you don't know what a Menards is, it's just a Lowe's or a Home Depot. But here in the Midwest, Menards is definitely the more popular of the three. Anyways, so that's not the point of this at all. I did shake this up. It looks a lot better. So I do think it's possible that if you get this in your box, you definitely can mix it in. But I would mix your bottles for a while just to make sure that they're actually mixed in there, because it's not going to work as well if it's not mixed up all the way. Okay, now that I spent like 5 minutes on that one product, the next item inside of our box then today is one of their Luxe lipsticks. This is what it looks like here. Now, typically in these mystery boxes, we will have products from different collabs or different collections. This one is in the shade Digits, and I don't know what this collection is. There are angel wings on the front here, so I'm not really sure if that's with anybody or if they had a theme for this, but this is what the tube of lipstick will look like. It's very weighted. It's very heavy. And then, oh, there's stars on it. There's your lipstick, but look at all the little stars. So it's a gorgeous neutral brown color. It is a little bit deeper of a brown, and on camera it's lightening it a little bit right now, but in person it is a little bit deeper of a shade. The next item that I have is also a part of that same collection with the lipstick. This one is the Pressed Powder Blush. So I think this is a full-size product. It looks like it to me at least. So this is what your blush compact will look like. The shade is called Claim It. And again, I'm not really sure what this collab is about. You have like a brick wall and then you see like stars on here, but you do have those wings across the front. I'm just not sure I don't remember even seeing this collection before, but this is what it will look like here. Colourpop does have very inexpensive packaging. All of their packaging materials typically are going to be like your acrylics here. They're very simple, but it is a way to keep costs down, which I appreciate because then we get, we get our makeup, but it's not going to be super expensive to purchase. Now this blush, I will say it's definitely a little bit more peach toned. We also have a palette in here that's called Aura and Out. This is colorful. Do you think it's gonna be these shades? I mean, look at how fun. I would love it if it were these bright neon shades. I wouldn't be able to wear it yet. I'd need to wait till summertime. Look at this. I hope they do this, you guys. Sometimes Colourpop will trick you and you see the packaging and then the shades don't match it at all. So I really, really hope we get something bright and vibrant like this. So this is going to have 9 shadows inside, and inside we do have a mirror. My whole eyeshadow just fell out. Oh my gosh, I just lost one of my eyeshadows. I mean, I just opened it. Was like, I didn't do anything crazy. So this was our palette. And then do you see this pan? The empty pan? Yeah, it just flung right out. I can't even appreciate this palette right now because I've never had, I mean, in all of like the 6-7 years I've been doing unboxings, I have never had a pan just flop right out. Gosh, it flopped like a fish. What in the world? Well, here's my pigment. That's my piece. I'm gonna put it back in here just so that I don't lose it, but I don't know that it's gonna stay. I'm gonna be very careful with that. Oh my gosh, I will say it's beautiful. Like there's some shimmer in there. All right, let's try and not lose any more products and take a look at this palette. I gotta tell you guys, I think it's gorgeous. I love the bright colors that are in here, but actually this would create a really cool eye look as well. So there's lots of shimmers. They're very cohesive though. They work well together. Even though this is a little bit more of like that yellow tint, yellow goes great with green and blue. So I love that we have those complementary shades inside of this palette. I think it's really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch of this one that popped out anyways. I will tell you, it is super soft. It's almost wet-like. So this is what it will look like. I mean, just beautiful shimmer. Normally, I don't swatch all of these because I will either include these free in like giveaways or like we have a big launch coming up in about a month or so, and that will be a free product that I'll give away. I don't think I'll give it away now that the pan has dropped out, but that's typically why I don't swatch everything. But in this case, since it decided to jump ship, you can actually see the swatch here. So it's a really soft green. It's definitely giving you more of that kind of pale green vibe, but lots of shimmer. Also, just ignore the lip gloss swatch on here. I forgot to take that off from a previous video. Okay, well, I'm gonna open up a non-palette next, just so we don't have anything else jumping ship. This next item that I have is one of their liquid lipsticks. This is the Glowing Up lipstick. The shade on here is called Let's Jet, and this is what the packaging will look like here. I think I said it was a liquid lipstick. This is not a liquid lipstick, you guys. This is a regular lipstick. I don't know what I was thinking there, but this is what your shade will look like. So it is a really soft, I like that it's got like a pinkish reddish tone to it. It's actually not too bad. The next item that I have is their blotted lipstick. This one is really bright, but I actually think it's gorgeous. Iconic Moment is the name. Yep. I would say this is an iconic moment. So here's what that lipstick will look like. And then inside, you're gonna have this bright lip. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is giving me like 80s pink. Like this is a gorgeous neon pink. So pretty. Again, I probably won't do these shades yet. I'm gonna wait till summer. It gets a little warmer out, but I do think it's a gorgeous color. The next item that I have in here is their Jelly Much Gel Eyeshadow. What? The shade is called Moon and Stars. I'm curious about this jelly vibe that they're referring to. So super cute packaging. And you're gonna see that. I have a couple more items in here that look like they're all from this same collection. So here's the packaging. Look at that shade, that bright orange. I've not had this product before, you guys. Keep me to lock the magic in. It looks like that's gonna seal it all in. Let me see, are we able to take this off so we can see the shadow a bit better? Look at that, it is jelly, so it is wet. So it's a very wet formula here. It's very sticky. All right, I'm gonna take a little off the cap here and do a quick swatch. Oh, it is so jelly, you guys. So soft, look at that. All right, we're gonna do a swatch right across the top here. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. It's definitely a wet formula, so you do wanna let this dry down a little bit, and I would not blend it out too much. So if you do put this on your eyelids, I would pack it and then let it sit and dry. That way it will maintain its vibrancy. Oh my gosh, I really like this. This is going really well, you guys. Like so far, I really like the products that we have in here. Outside of the palette falling apart on me, I think it's going well. So the next item that I have is the Body Glitter Gel. This is in the shade Sparks. And like I said, it's in the same collection as this eyeshadow that we just looked at, but this is designed to be a body glitter. It is definitely glitter. Look at this. This is so pretty, you guys. Man, this box is also very cohesive. Everything is working very well together. So let me go ahead and pull this one out and we'll take a look at it. I do think this little pull tab design, it's not done well. Jeffree Star has a lot of products like pots where he will have a little cap inside of it. What's nice is he has this built-in little handle that you can grab and just pull it right out. I even see this with like Melt Cosmetics, same thing, you pull it out, there's a little handle. This is just a piece of plastic tab and you pull here to pull the entire cap off. It just doesn't work well and it's really hard to grab it because it's not long either. So I do think this design is a little tricky. I feel like they could do a better job at that. But this is what the glitter will look like. And then you can put this on all over. Oh my gosh, it's like frosting. You are gonna look like a cupcake if you use this product. The next item that we have is their Ultra Glossy Lip. Again, all from the same collection. I mean, you guys, I love that we got so many matching pieces. The shade on here is called One Kiss. So this is a full-size product. Oh my gosh, there's glitter in here too. I think that's the whole point of this collection is that it's just sweet and glittery and sparkly and so pretty. Look at how well this is gonna go with the eyeshadow too, you guys. So it is a gloss. You're definitely gonna see that shine, but then you get a little bit of that glitter in there. You are gonna look so stinking girly. Last item that we have in here, you guys, is another palette and it's from this Love collection that they have going on. So the palette is called Lost in Love. I have not seen this one, but based off of the other items in this collection, I really think I'm gonna like this. So this one is bright pink and oranges again. It looks like we're gonna have 12 different shadows inside of this palette. And I'm gonna be really careful to not lose any this time. And it's broken. What is with my luck today and palettes? So this is what it looks like. I really don't want to drop any more pigment on the floor here. So I'm going to kind of show you guys, but I apologize for the weird angle. Holy bananas, I love this palette. I love every shadow in here. From the oranges, we've got the shimmers, there's pinks and the reds and purples. It's so girly. And look at how well this collection works together. You can layer these all on top of one another. Outside of having that broken pan, this is a gorgeous palette. Well, outside of the palettes inside of this box today, I thought this was amazing. I really like this. Actually, this box, for the most part, I want to use every single one of these items. I really like the other palette as well with those green and blues and yellows. I think that's going to be so much fun. I will definitely be saving that for this summer, but I can't wait to try that one. The only thing that I thought was a little weird was that setting spray. After it mixed up, I feel a little bit better about it, but I did, it was just weird how much it had settled like that and how hard it was to mix it. But other than that, I think this is an amazing mystery box. So comment down below, you guys, guys, let me know what you think of this one. And if you do order this box, let me know in the comments if you got the same items as I did. That way it would help out my viewers and you guys would know whether or not you're gonna get the same items. I would assume, considering this is called like the secret love box or secret Valentine's box, this is probably what everyone is going to be getting because you can definitely feel that with all of the hearts and the pigments that are in here. So I love this one. I definitely think you guys should check it out. I do have that link listed down below if you're interested in it. Hopefully you guys will have better luck with the palettes than I did. But overall, I thought this was really good today. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!